Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and my name is Jyotirolla and today I'm gonna do a gift wrapping. I got some Amazon things for my family and my few friends and today I'm gonna do a wrapping. Let's get started. How cute is this? What do you think? I love pink and the red hearts. Like, let's get started. One. Maybe I can go other way around, but no, I really like this side. If I am shortage of the gift wrapping, I have to go and get it and like, let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna do the first one now. Yay. Cute, huh? This is the one done. Let's do the second one. The second one is this. This is the one which I'll do later. So inside, you can go inside. Pink butterfly.
Any whichever you want that one.
This is done. If you know, thank me. Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. I just finished doing the pattern. It was so quick, it was so much fun. It just took me 30-40 minutes to do it, 45 minutes max to do these things. It was not in the process, but yeah, I just didn't like the feel of this kind of decorative paper thing. Maybe I should take the normal one from the Archie's gallery from where I got this XO one, and I really loved it. There's like a few of the cookie tips which I'm giving to two of my sisters and friends, and there are a few of the other stuff and I'm giving to close ones. I'm so excited. It's holidays and it's love everywhere. And yeah, I'm very happy for everyone. I want to thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys really liked it. These were my gift wrapping. And please do share, subscribe and comment. And let me know what you want to watch in my next video. Quickly, bye bye, tata. If you didn't watch my Christmas tree video, please go and watch that, how I decorated it, and please do watch my makeup videos which I had did it earlier. And please do share and subscribe. Bye, love you.